In today's video, I'll be showing you some nail art supplies I got from Dealsale. They were all really cheap and the quality is pretty good too. I'll leave links to Dealsale's website and app in the description box below. At the end of the video, there will be a tutorial for this simple striping tape look, and yeah, let's get started. First, I have this sheet of nail art stickers. I love the patterns and I think this will look really pretty over gradient or something like that. And next is this bag of clear rhinestones. I'm not sure how I'm going to use them yet, so if you have any suggestions, just let me know down in the comments. I also got these cute little bows, and there was a total of 10 bows in the bag. Next, I got these 3mm square studs in both gold and silver. And finally, I have this striping tape, and as you can see, they're all in different colors. And now over to the tutorial. I've already painted my ring and middle finger white and my thumb pink and index finger blue. On the white nails, I also applied a fast drying top coat to make sure that they're completely dry. This is really important since we're going to use striping tape. After I'd let my white nails dry for around 20 to 30 minutes, I randomly placed on some short pieces of striping tape. Then I just used my nail to secure the tape around the sides of my nail. Here I'm just applying some liquid latex around my nail for easier cleanup. After letting that dry, I painted on blue, light blue and silver polish onto a makeup sponge. Then I dabbed it on the nail. I repeated this process to make the colors more opaque. While the polish was still wet, I peeled off the latex barrier and removed the striping tape with some tweezers. I then let my nails dry for a few minutes before I applied a fast drying top coat. As always, I applied a matte top coat too for a matte finish. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!